DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, you two? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. Yo, gang, you see what we're doing today, man? Yeah, man, we're there with Mr. Valina Card back again. Yeah, man, you don't know what we're talking about, man. We're back with Malie and they want to name Ada. Yeah, man, we'll check it out to see Malie I deal with today, man. What was the last track we reacted to for Malie, gang? I thought we just reacted to Malie the other day. Am I mistaken, bro? I could have sworn we just reacted to Malie what the way that go. Crazy. Was it the last one where am I this I acting? Was that no man? We reacted to one after that. Rum Please. That's the one. Yeah, we reacted to Rum Please the other day. That's a bad, yo, that's a dope track, man. If you haven't checked, if you haven't seen that reaction, make sure you go check it out. You know, it's live on the channel right now. Also, make sure you go check out the music. You feel me? Show the artist love and support, man. Rum Please went crazy. You feel me? I forgot. I believe it's on the Taliban's rhythm. You know, and yeah, Malie went crazy and Rum Please, Rum Please. Yeah, she said Rum Please, Rum Please. That one got added to the playlist. You feel me? But this one dropped actually a few days earlier before Rum Please, and I never got around to react to it. This one is called Order. You feel me? Apparently, I think he on some Badman vibes in this one, calling some shots type stuff. You know what I'm saying? I haven't checked it out. I'm not sure what it's about. You feel me? But I don't know. Malie always making bangers, man. You see me? Malie's a dope artist where, you know, we rate over us and we like reacting to. So, yeah, I was like, man, I haven't reacted to this as I said, you know, it's about time I got around to it. So, yeah, man, gang, we not roll up the vibes much longer. We're there with Malie done. And that come for kill it. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're gonna check it out, man. See what Malie I deal with. And if you like the video, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please continue liking and subscribing. Help your boy out, man. You already know what time it is. Yeah, this is Malie Order. Come on, let's get it, gang. I'm ready for bangers.
Is that harder?
Hold on. Don't tell me something to get me out here, right, dog. What me I do? Can I drop the ball like thing in a dog? You see me come here, say lyrics are chopping at the one end, man. So I want to hear everything live and in full effect. Let's get it, gang.
Bricks them a check off. Me never sell out, although my beats them so sell off. Girl I broke caca, me a broke couple records. Run up on my Glock a couple rounds, me a let.
See me take off. Yeah, man, say you never sell out even though my beats them a sell off.
How them want for do? How them want for talk? Man for the mission, more walk the walk. I be a hollow tipping at the bulldog for bark. Fuck that bitch a too good, that's how she start.
We walk the walk, I be a hollow tipping at the bulldog for bark, brother. I'm too.
Stark, know them want for fight when time them see me arise. Be a blood clot, blood up in a the criminalize. I walk past them place, telling me and them no size. Tell a Harlem shake, panic cocking on my ride. Thank God me alive. With the panel level them say we can't do it. No give up my nigga, my brother go and do it. No we say a prayer, I just a psalms do it. Action.
Never give up, my brother, just go and do it. Me say a prayer, your psalms do it. I want to them, man, come in, man.
Shame them brother, me nah speak. Girl give me the pussy, I want the cast feet. A ugly girl, I give my brain, me get a mass feet. Them is a waste of my time like them no.
Girl give me our cast feet. Ugly girl like me have a mass feet. I want, yo, come on, let's stop playing with Malie, bro. Stop playing with Malie, bro. Stop playing with Malie, bro. The man got lyrics for years, bro. Come in,
girl give me the pussy, I want the cast feet. A ugly girl, I give my brain, me get a mass feet. Them is a waste of my time like them no smart G. As if the war for start, them I go ball creep. Jump out clean, just done beard. Jumping at the beast and touch down Spain. I'm a Mary jeans and a bust down chain. Make a girl pum pum fall. Enough.
Man say them a waste of my time cause them a smart G. Cause when the war start, them I go ball creep. Hey, come on, bro. Y'all listening? Yeah? Y'all listening? Yeah? Bars, nigga. Lyrics, nigga. I want to them.
Beast and touch down Spain. I'm a Mary jeans and a bust down chain. Make a girl pum pum fall. Enough rain. We are the greatest for do it. Me just a holy hardest. One for my dreams. So me do what I wanna.
I want to you, man. On for my dreams, so I'm doing my wanna, bro. Hey, I gotta pull this back up a little bit, gang. Just a little bit. You hear leaks from when I drop this, bro? Yeah, man. That's when Malie and Craft, they go up on that run on sentence lyrics timing. That means you know I beer lyrics, bro. Come on, man. Come on.
Me just a whole yardas, hunt for my dreams. So me do what I wanna, and anything figure reach me, I just gonna. See them asleep on the chair, but time of the
master. I want to them man anything for reach me and come on. You see me? You see me, I want from a dream, but time of the master, brother. I can't go and chat to them more. Come on.
You drip a show, my tip on my belly with the clip a show.
Who using them, man?
See them gone with a style, some fall with a sicker flow. No for me used to call my dog ton friend killers and bigger four.
Using them, man?
We no cartoon like Nickelodeon, from that clip you load me.
See, they steal me style, so I fall with that bigger flow. Man who used to call me, they didn't turn in a, hey, turn in a bigger four. I what? Malie, bro. Malie, dog. Lyrics. Some like listen to tune and hear lyrics. Come in. Pull up some of this.
See them gone with a style, some fall with a sicker flow. No for me used to call my dog ton friend killers and bigger foes. But we no cartoon like Nickelodeon, from that clip you load me and fi bring it a road. Gyal a tip a to a bounce panda the castle. Skin.
No gang. I gotta put some respect on Malie name, bro. This man going crazy, gang. Come on, man. Y'all gotta put some respect on Malie name, bro. Come on, man. Gang, bro. Yes. Malie's here, nigga. Malie's here, bro. I tell you no. I don't know if it's top sleep on Malie, you know, bro. Hey, I gotta pull that shit up, man. Y'all hear what I'm hearing, gang? Come on, man. Stop playing with him. Come on, man. Pull that shit up, gang. Yeah, bro. This reaction gonna be longer than it needs to. Yeah, man, but lyrics in this, man, I so many like when me have to pull up tune. Tune, man. Come in, man.
We no cartoon like Nickelodeon, from that.
I not want to pull up from this, okay? I want to pull it up a little bit when you just start the verse. Yeah, cause when in, man. That's what we talking about, yeah.
With the clip I show. See them gone with a style, some fall with a sicker flow. No for me used to call my dog ton friend killers and bigger foes. But we no cartoon like Nickelodeon, from that clip you load me and fi bring it a road. Gyal a tip a to a bounce panda the castle. Skin out your pussy when.
This man finna go in. Anytime Malie get already when we like this ambiance, bro. This man finna go in, gang. Come on. You ready for it?
Gyal a tip a to a bounce panda the castle. Skin out your pussy when they Pikachu. When the pillar pop, or when the liquor flow. She transform in a devil like Pikachu. Bang. Pussy me and the man. Gyal a bring the pussy to the tan. Everything I shake when she sitting on my jack.
Yeah, the man. Gyal a bring it, come get it done. Jambisco done. Only one done in a dog. I want to tell them.
Everything I wake when me lift up this song. We are the greatest for doing. Me just a holy yardas, hunt for my dreams. So me do what I wanna, and anything figure reach me, I just gonna. See them asleep on the J, but time of the
master. Them asleep on the G, but time of the master. That mafia, tell them no, man. Them asleep on the G, but time of the master. Let's do this. This bad playlist, my G. Yeah, man. This playlist ready, gang. This playlist ready, gang. You know I don't miss when I say playlist. You know it's a different type of thing. Yeah, man. Bro, I can't believe I ain't reacted this yet. Bro. I'm just getting around to it. Come on.
Is that Carter?
Stop sleeping on Malie, my G. Stop sleeping on him. You feel me? Malie. Yeah, you didn't go in on the verse. But please. Easy. Malie done. Yeah, man. Tune, dog. Tune. That tune. Tune, gang. Tune. Hey, one thing about that one, man. I think I'm a long talk. One thing about that one, yeah. Make sure you go show the artists some love and support. You don't know what's that Jambisco dancing on you. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. Tony, man. Malie went in on that one, gang. No cap. Man went crazy. You know what y'all think in the comment section, man. For real. Let's chop it up, man. Yeah. Off to you, my youth. Just sleep on the room. But time of the master. But me a only hard as me a hunt for me dream. So me do what me wanna. They must be funny G. Hey, but time of the master. I want to you, man. Them TV style, but me forward with that sicker flow. And then one friend, hey, man, I used to call me dog. Man, I used to call me dog, turn friend killer, and bigger four. Hey, Malie, you did that shit, gang. Shout out to you, gang. Keep up a good work, dog. Shoot for the stars. You already know. You solidified. You feel me? Solidified yourself in the game, bro. Y'all, the new generation artists really came in the game. You feel me? They made their own little space and solidified themselves in there. And a lot of people looking and expecting great things from y'all, man. You feel me? No cap. A lot of people are expecting great things from y'all, man. Y'all came out here early doing y'all thing, man. And hey, I'm expecting great things from y'all. Shout out to the new generation. Y'all doing y'all thing. Y'all beat choices, producers, people y'all working with. Y'all making the right moves. So keep it up. Don't stop. Don't get distracted. Don't make nobody tarnish anything down. You see me? I say, well, yeah, man. Shout out to Malie. If you like, you show the artists some love and support. Make sure you say Jambisco dance. Make sure you drop your comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up, gang. Join the Discord, link in the description, all that good stuff. We're lit, gang. Road to 10K, 100K, a million. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.